What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and yeah, this is vlog number 3 and basically high level cliff notes because a lot of people don't like to watch me talk for the most part. But in any case, yeah, we kept going weekend after weekend, and every single weekend we're getting 25 to 30 mile an hour winds. And so finally I thought to myself, well, you know, if my 5-inch can fly better in wind than my 1.6 and my 3-inch drone can fly better in wind than my 1.6, so it's almost as if, you know, I know that kind of didn't make sense a little bit there, but basically the bigger I go, the heavier the quad is, relatively speaking, and it does better in wind. So if you kind of threw a feather in the air, the wind is going to blow the feather all over the place. But if I threw an elephant in the air, which, you know, obviously would be impossible for me to do, but I doubt that the wind is going to do anything to that elephant just due to weight alone. The physics, I guess you could call it, just shows that the heavier it is, the less the wind will have control over it. What I did was, not only did I get frustrated just a little bit because of all the wind, I went ahead and I built a 7-inch monster here. I'm building 2 of them actually, and this one actually fried already. What can I say? Just to give you a reference, this is a 5-inch drone here. That's a 7-inch drone. You can see, ooh, stinks. Yep, motor fried. I can say it definitely helps in the wind. The amount of power that the 7-inch has, it's got so much power. If the drone is heading straight into that 30 mile an hour wind, it's no problem for me to come back. Main thing is I can fly, and I can fly it safely. Anyways, I hope you like it, so let's get to it. What's up everybody? So we finally made it to the same spot but a different location. The problem today though is that it is super windy. The last thing I need to do is to lose my drone down there. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. That's crazy. I built this 7-inch for wind. So, you know, if you can't fly in this wind, then really, what good is it? I never crashed the drone. The footage may not have been all that great, but I didn't crash the drone, and I'm super stoked about that. I was really scared and kind of worried about, you know, falling into the ocean, whether it be my pilot skills or just a malfunction or a desync or whatever you want to call it. But I'm happy I didn't lose the drone. It's right here, and let me tell you, 7-inch, that's the way to go if you want to fight these kinds of heavy winds. Not even an issue. It was so smooth. It was like, but I was also super scared and super nervous, so it's kind of shaking on the controls. So I don't know. I mean, I'm excited right now. I'm super happy. I didn't lose the drone. Yeah, I don't know what to say except yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Again, hit the like button if you can. Would be pretty awesome if you did. And hit the subscribe button, because that would be awesome too. I seem to have so much trouble getting subscribers and getting people to hit that like button, but I guess it's just maybe because nobody likes my videos. But that's fine too. In any case, I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully, right? Alright, cool.